Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Vista, where we break down the latest in automotive design, performance, and innovation. Today, we've got something really special for you. Chevrolet has officially unveiled the all-new 2025 Chevy 3100 pickup, and it's turning heads for all the right reasons. Whether you're a fan of modern trucks or nostalgic for the golden age of American pickups, this new 3100 is going to grab your attention. So what exactly is the 2025 Chevy 3100? Well, it's not just another pickup in Chevrolet's lineup. This truck is a modern reinterpretation of the legendary 3100 series from the late 1940s and early 1950s, and let me tell you, they've absolutely nailed the blend of retro styling with futuristic technology. Think of it like this: it looks like it came straight out of a dream where classic curves meet high-tech precision. Visually, this truck is a masterpiece. The front fascia is bold yet unmistakably classic, featuring round LED headlights that pay homage to the original 3100's look, but with a futuristic twist. The iconic Chevrolet bar across the grille is still there, but now it's been modernized with a sleek LED light strip that runs through the middle. The body lines are smooth, muscular, and sculpted, reflecting the vintage charm of the post-war era while still giving off a clean, aggressive modern stance. One thing you'll notice right away is how balanced this truck looks. It's not trying to be oversized or bulky. Instead, the proportions are thoughtfully designed to reflect the original 3100 size, but with just enough bulk to compete with today's midsize trucks. It rides on 20-inch alloy wheels standard, with available 22-inch options, giving it a bold footprint without looking overdone. Under the hood, the 2025 3100 comes with a couple of different options. The standard powertrain is a 2.7-liter turbocharged inline-4 producing 310 horsepower and 430 pound-feet of torque. That's mated to a smooth 8-speed automatic transmission, giving it plenty of power for both city driving and light towing. But for those who want more grunt, Chevy is also offering an optional 3.0-liter Duramax diesel, delivering excellent torque and fuel efficiency, perfect for long hauls or off-road adventures. But here's where it really gets interesting. Chevrolet has hinted at an all-electric version of the 3100 in the pipeline, which would slot perfectly alongside the Silverado EV. It's not confirmed yet, but if that happens, this truck could become a serious game-changer in the electric midsize pickup market. Step inside and you'll immediately notice that the 2025 3100 isn't just about looks, it's got brains too. The interior is a perfect fusion of old-school charm and modern tech. There's a digital instrument cluster, a 13.4-inch infotainment touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and premium materials throughout. The dash features retro-inspired toggle switches, soft-touch materials, and available leather-trimmed seats that feel both luxurious and durable. Even the steering wheel design gives a nod to the original truck style, but with integrated modern controls. Storage and utility haven't been sacrificed either. You've got a multi-function tailgate, in-bed power outlets, and even an available under-seat storage system that can be configured in multiple ways. Whether you're hauling gear for work or packing up for a weekend adventure, this truck is designed to be as practical as it is stylish. On the road, early test drives and impressions suggest that the 3100 handles remarkably well for a pickup. Thanks to a fully independent suspension system and improved chassis rigidity, you get a smooth, responsive ride. It's agile in city traffic and composed on the highway, and with standard driver assist features, like lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, and rear cross traffic alert. It's also got the safety side covered. And here's something else we love: the customization options. Chevy is offering a full range of trims, from the work-ready WT to the sporty RS and even a premium Heritage Edition that fully embraces the truck's vintage roots. You'll be able to choose from a variety of paint colors that include throwback shades like Horizon Blue and Victory Red, as well as modern metallic finishes. Pricing starts at just under $39,000 for the base model, which is pretty competitive given the level of features you get. Top trims can climb closer to $55,000, especially with packages like off-road upgrades or the Tech Luxury package, but for what you're getting, a unique truck that blends old-school style with modern performance, it's hard to argue with the value. So, what's the verdict? If you're someone who appreciates classic design but still wants all the conveniences of a modern pickup, the 2025 Chevy 3100 might just be the perfect blend. It stands out in a sea of lookalike trucks, And whether you're buying it for nostalgia, utility, or just because it looks incredible, it's clear Chevy is onto something big here. Thanks for watching Auto Vista. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more deep dives into the latest cars and trucks, and let us know in the comments, would you drive the new 3100, or do you prefer the modern Silverado or Colorado? Catch you in the next one.